2023 and rent is going up. I'm Lexi Wyer.
And I'm Jake Wyer with the Wyer Group.
If you've been renting, you have absolutely noticed the price increases over the last few years.
Absolutely. 2021, your rent probably went up. 2022, your rent probably went up. And guess what? 2023, it's going to be about the same. So you're wondering why that might be. Well, we've gone through some turbulence in the last few years. We had a global epidemic. We're now dealing with hyperinflation. Everything costs a little bit more. Lumber prices are through the roof. Aluminum's through the roof. I mean, heck, we're dealing with egg prices now. So, of course, rent prices are going to follow that. So prices for rent, you can assume, are going to keep going up. Now, the good news is we have a way out of this cycle. And this might be a scary thought for some, but purchasing a home will give you some stability month to month. Buying a home, entering into a 30-year fixed mortgage, is going to go ahead and lock you into a monthly rate. That will not go up year to year. I mean, we personally went through this situation and we bought a home and our mortgage is exactly the same as it was the day that we bought it.
But what did skyrocket was our equity.
Absolutely. And I know this is going to be a little bit of a scary concept for a lot of my movers out there. I know a lot of people like to move every couple years. Buying a home seems very permanent. Now, the good news is you can rent out that home. If you get that urge to go ahead and move around a little bit, you can go ahead and rent out that home, become the landlord, put that money in your pocket. Go ahead and buy the next home in the next city or two blocks down if you want. You can go ahead and still have that freedom to move around. So the good news is, for all my movers out there, that buying a home just means that you got a little bit of stability in your life. You're putting away some money. And if you put a renter in that property, guess what? That renter is going to be paying off your mortgage and increasing your wealth over time. So we would love to be able to talk to you a little bit about this process. If it is a scary concept to you to purchase a house, we've walked through hundreds of buyers at this point through the process of buying a home. It is not a scary process. We have a wonderful team around us. We have a very experienced local lender who can walk you through that side of things as well. Go ahead and pick up the phone. You can reach out to us on our social media channels. You can pick up the phone, give us a call, text, email. We would love to talk to you about the process and how we can get you out of the rental cycle loop. We'll talk to you soon. My name is Jake Wyer.
I'm Lexi Wyer.
Thank you so much for stopping in.
We'll talk to you soon.